Hello guys, welcome back to our channel ST Brother. Today we are going to teach you how you can save Facebook story in your mobile. Click on Google and search SnapTube. I now open the SnapTube page. Click on download SnapTube and it will automatically start downloading. I now open SnapTube. You can also download YouTube videos from here. To download Facebook stories, click on search icon. Click on Facebook icon, it will open your Facebook profile. After that, you can download anyone's Facebook story in your mobile. To download Facebook story, click on story. Now click on download icon. It will start downloading and you can find this video in your gallery. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe our channel. Bye.